Ruben Gutierrez does not deny planning the robbery that led to the death of an 85-year-old woman, but he argues there is no evidence linking him directly to the crime scene. Gutierrez says he is entitled to DNA testing to avoid the death penalty. Ruben Gutierrez says despite planning the robbery, he was outside as his two accomplices murdered a Texas woman in an attempt to steal $600,000 back in 1998. Gutierrez claims DNA testing of the crime scene will prove he was not at the scene and allow him to avoid the death penalty.
He's not seeking DNA testing to exonerate himself. He's seeking DNA testing to reduce his punishment.
The district attorney notes Gutierrez had previously told police he was in Escolastica Harrison's home on the day she was stabbed to death with a screwdriver, and 4 separate eyewitnesses placed Gutierrez at the crime scene on the day of the murder. They argue testing the DNA is unnecessary.
What the state is arguing is that there are other independent reasons that he will still be found eligible for the death penalty anyway. Therefore, he shouldn't get into the court in the first place.
Gutierrez is challenging the Texas statute that allows DNA testing only to prove innocence, but denies it for defendants looking to reduce their sentence. The Constitutional Accountability Center says even if he wins at the Supreme Court, Gutierrez might not get off death row, but the statute isn't fair.
The statute is serving as a barrier to his ability to get this DNA evidence. And the question that the court is faced with is, will lifting this barrier enhance his likelihood of getting this evidence that he seeks?
The Texas Attorney General's office did not respond to a request for interview. In Washington, I'm Brendan Cullerton.